Hello guys, welcome to Supreme Steno classes. Now I am going to dictate two judgment of Supreme Court, especially who are preparing for Punjab, Haryana High Court and MP High Court stenography skill test examination. So be ready for it. 5 seconds. Law point: right to cast vote is a valuable right, but to demand any uniform value of one apostrophe s voting right through the process of delimitation, disregarding the statutory and constitutional dispensation based on historical reasons is not a justifiable right. Full stop. Facts semicolon. The appellant was aggrieved by an amendment to the Jammu and Kashmir Representation of the People Act, 1957, especially the amendment in section 3 thereof. Full stop. The amendment had been brought about in 2002. Full stop. Section 3 of the Jammu and Kashmir Representation of the People Act, 1957 as amended from time-to-time. Full stop. The main grievance of appellant was in view of the postponement of delimitation of constituencies as the result of the amendments aforesaid, the growing imbalance in the matter of composition of various constituencies would continue despite the census operation being carried out. Full stop. Decision column. Read adjustment of extent and boundaries of territorial constituencies upon completion of census is not mandate of constitution amendment, therefore does not violate basic structure of constitution. Full stop. Further, ensuring uniformity in value of votes is not a constitutionally mandate imperative of free and fair election. Full stop. Law points column. Interference in contractual matters under Article 226 of the Constitution. Full stop. Fact semicolon. The respondent Sadanand Daloi was appointed as a senior general manager on contract basis in the appellant company Gridco Limited. Full stop. Subsequently, his services were terminated by the appellant. Full stop. The division bench of the Odisha High Court, in exercise of its power under Article 226 of the Constitution, set aside the order terminating the services of the respondent. Full stop. Aggrieved thereby, the appellant company preferred an appeal before the Supreme Court. Full stop. One of the important issue raised by the appellant was that if the appointment was contractual, was the termination thereof vitiated by any legal infirmity to call for interference under Article 226 of the Constitution? Decision column. A writ court is entitled to judicially review the action and determine whether there was any illegality, preservity, unreasonableness, unfairness or irrationality that would vitiate the action, no matter the action is in the realm of contract. Full stop. But judicial review cannot extend to the court acting as an appellate authority sitting in judgment over the decision. Full stop. The court cannot sit in the armchair of the administrator to decide whether a more reasonable decision or course of action could have been taken in the circumstances. Full stop. So long as the action taken by the authority is not shown to be demonstrably in outrageous defiance of logic, the writ court would do well to respect the decision under challenge. Full stop. So guys, ये डिक्टेशन था 2 जजमेंट का। होप सो आप अच्छा कर रहे हो, अच्छे से तैयारी कर रहे हो, अच्छे से लिख रहे हो। और अराउंड 400 वर्ड्स का डिक्टेशन था। यदि आपको हमारे डिक्टेशंस पसंद आ रहे हो तो प्लीज़ चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए। और यदि आपकी कोई क्वेरीज है रिगार्डिंग स्किल एग्जामिनेशन तो आप नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखिए।